I've seen so many people making videos about Nnamdi Kanu's appeal. Some are saying he needs to conduct himself very well. Some are saying political solution, and his lawyers, the one with Anofia Maxwell Opera, is there telling them his lawyers have been talking rubbish, trying to gaslight Umuewu. You know, this Umuokoko, they have no brain of their own. And when somebody is desperate, especially Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers are lying to his bingos. And the earlier they accept the truth, the better for them. This hopium he's giving you people will not work. There is absolutely nothing that will release the Ekperima Nnamdi Kanu. And now, that rope, the client, he escaped at the lower court, which is the Federal High Court. He will not escape it at the Court of Appeal. Are you understanding me now? He's not going to escape it at the Court of Appeal. See the reasons here. The judge gave two reasons. The judge gave two reasons as to why he did not give him hanging. And the number one reason there being his quotation, his Bible quotation, that the Bible said they should show mercy. Then the second one is that Nigeria is a member of one body. I don't know the agreement we signed with one body. The punishment of a by sentence. But this year alone, they've given so many people by sentence in prisons. Okay? Are you understanding me now? So one, let's take the first point. And mind you, he read this into the judgment, of which Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers have nothing they are standing on at the Court of Appeal. But the prosecution team is standing gidigba. Okay? Are you understanding me? The Bible is quoting, one, there are thousands of Nnamdi Kanu's victims who are not Christians. Okay? The army couple, the husband was not a Christian. Ahmed Gulak was a Muslim. The woman they buy with the children, including her, the one in her womb, all those people are Muslims. All these ones where they burn their trailers, they never see them till date. Those are not Christians. There are atheists. There are atheists who are involved too. Are you understanding me now? So why would you be using the Bible for those people? It doesn't make sense. It does not make sense that you are using the Bible to justify not hanging in Nnamdi Kanu. I now, as a traditionalist, yes, they even buy a traditionalist. That guy at Lille, when they buy him, they said he's Ezosika. You forgot the one that was running away with his offer. They caught him and buy him. So, what does the Iwama do? What does Iwama say about buying person? So, our own law says that any person who buy person must be buy. So, why are they using Christian Bible to justify that mercy? It does not make sense. Okay? It does not make sense. We don't believe in the Bible. So, the Bible should play no role in our criminal jurisprudence. We have nothing to do with the Bible. Take the Bible to the people that brought it. Even the people that gave you the Bible, they still have by sentence. Many states in America have by sentence. And these people have been practicing Christianity even from their homeland in Europe before Christianity came here. You dey hear me? Are you understanding me now? So they should, that one already has set aside that reason. Mama Sabo bless them. That alone, as a traditionalist, nobody will judge me under Sharia law in the northern Nigeria. Okay? Nobody is going to judge me under Sharia law. I will not appear before any Sharia court because I'm not a Muslim. So, if I can't appear before a Sharia court because I'm not a Muslim, why should the judge let someone off the hook based on what he read in the Bible? So that first reason is gone. Now let's tackle the second reason. That Nigeria is signatory to one war, whatever. Now, whatever treaty any president any CJ, any AGF is entering on behalf of Nigeria cannot supersede the constitution, because the constitution is the supreme law of the land. So whenever there is a, this one say hand go soon touch you. Now this thing on a shout so tell Nnamdi Kanu reach Sokoto. Una don dey shout am. Una don dey shout am until he reach Sokoto. You dey Sokoto now. Sokoto. By keke. Mazi Abubakar Sadiq Usman, I see you. So there is no law, there is no code written anywhere that we are signatory to that says our supreme law of the land, which is the constitution, is subservient to that law. It's a lie. It's a bloody lie. If the supreme law of the land is the constitution, why are we using whatever treaty we joined to give excuse not to buy Nnamdi Kanu? How? You don't do that. You don't. The Supreme Court law of the land is the constitution. So the two reasons given, please, is the prosecutor general listening? In fact, I go write and send that to somebody where I know say go give them to the prosecution team. Okay? We can't stand for this life imprisonment. We don't have time to start going, oh, they should leave him every year. Some of these activists will be using it to create problem. Imagine if the judge was resolute enough to give him by sentence. At least they will carry out the execution before December ending. This noise where they happen now, go down, they finish. Shebi I tell said them go knock am something and they no go do anything. I not tell you. I not tell I said them go knock am something and they no go do anything. See, there is absolutely nothing anybody will do about it. I told you people. Now imagine if the government just closed their eyes, the judge closed his eyes and said, I knock you this thing because humanity. He read it and even told you, yes, it's supposed to be by sentence. They gave him, they should have fired him immediately. I don't care who you are. He said, Ijele said, appeal court will upgrade you. No, they simply have to. Because this reason the judge gave should not be allowed to stand. You don't know the next that is going to come up. This is why you need to show no mercy to a criminal, to somebody who set up organization where they buy people. You need to show no mercy. Anybody, I don't care if it's my father, if it's my mother, anybody that you see my father, if I see him post anything about IPOB, I will go and report him myself. Let him be doing his own bingoing in that side though. I see him post pen about IPOB. I go in support of this, their nonsense they are doing. Me, I go report him. I go report him. Let alone you. Let alone you. Nobody involved in this thing should be showed mercy. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. This one say, are you Igbo? What do I look like somebody from Madagascar? Oh, you expect me to come and be supporting evil with you because I know the sensibility? So for your mind now, with my level of research, with my level of intelligence, me, I go come follow Ozu like you. They support this nonsense. They waste your time. He is not going to serve any sentence because staying there is waste of food. It's a total waste of food. Are you understanding? It's a waste of oxygen. It's a waste of water. It's a waste of food. There is no reason, there is no legitimate reason as to why Nnamdi Kanu will continue to be a burden on our food supply. It shouldn't happen. Buy this guy. Make these people know say you're serious. Okay? Okay, see him brother, Emmanuel, in lawyer and the wife for Sokoto. My people, I need to go to Sokoto. I really need that Sokoto travel. I really need it. Sakoto. Are you getting me now? This Utobo must pay. Go to Osun local government area. See the houses they burn. See all people's homes, young boys. Many of those houses, some of the owners went to jail. in abroad, just trying to make money to better their homes. Then Nnamdi Kanu, a foolish utobo, a complete akpamu that never worth anything in life. Show me one place Nnamdi Kanu built a fence. A fence. Before he started making money with you fools. Show me one thing, one cement he turned into blocks. Show me one. Do you know a place Nnamdi Kanu bought 1 square meter of land? This was say, why didn't you go there and buy him yourself? Me, I won't do harm. I won't do harm. Show me a single place he established any single thing, but he will send Umwokoko to go and bomb people's homes. Omas na bomb na snow. Na bomb na anwụ. And there's a police. And there's a police. And there's a ndi ekogu. And there's everything. He's a chaye ni na jeche no no agụ apụta. Iru ụnọ. Mmadụ ọkwanụ ndị anụ agbara ụnọ ọkụ gbachiri ụnọ na ndụ ha nkịtị ka na-ebile. Etu anụ. Ụnọ ha niile n'idiri na-engodo ọkụ first. He said Nigeria will happen to you soon. Yes, so let Nigeria happen to me instead of Biafra. Let the Nigeria that happened to Ato Ezemigbo must happen to me. The Nigeria that happened to Aliko Dangote must happen to me. The Nigeria that happened to Bua with Abu Rashid would happen to me. The Nigeria that happened to Dave Umar will happen to me. You see this Biafra that happened to Osuito must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Okigwe must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Lilu must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Iseke must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Uli must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Iyala must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Njaba LGA must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Mbitolu LGA must happen to you and your family. Everything what they tell you now till your 5th generation. The Biafra that is happening at our mama currently will happen to you. From the family of Ojuku to the least person, to least of you, all of you that support this nonsense, it shall happen to you 1 million times. You hear me? And the judge said, this one you are preaching the Bible when you want to sentence him. And the prosecutor general should also quote the Bible. The prosecutor general should also quote the Bible for them. Why are they using Matthew chapter 3 when there is Ezekiel 18:20 there? Somebody shout Ezekiel 18:20. Somebody shout Ezekiel 18:20. Make I read that for you. Do you want me to read Ezekiel 18:20 for you? Eh? Do you want me to read Ezekiel 18:20? My people, shall make we read Bible for them. My fellow Sabos, do we read Ezekiel 18:20 for them? You know why they delay this thing? I want them to use their mouth to read them. No, read them there. Let me read Ezekiel 18:20 for you. Because you know, say some of us I think say me I no go church. Let me read the Ezekiel 18:20 for them. Ezekiel 18. Now, let me read Ezekiel 18 for them. Now, Ezekiel 18, let me go to verse 20. And it reads, the one who sins is the one who will buy. Are you understanding me? In another translation, King James Version, Old King James, he says, the soul that sinneth shall die. Are you understanding me? He says, the soul that sinneth shall die. Let me retake it again. The one who sins is the one who will buy. The child will not share the guilt of the parent, nor will the parent share the guilt of the child. The righteousness of the righteous will be credited to them, and the wickedness of the wicked will be charged against them. So why are you reading Matthew for us? Is this not from the same Bible? Prosecutor General, please arm yourself with Ezekiel 18:20. I don't know if they cleaned that one from Justice Omotosho's Bible. You will see Ezekiel before Matthew in the church. So how you jump Ezekiel, they go Matthew. Yeah? How you go jump Ezekiel, they go Matthew. We stand by Ezekiel 18:20. Thank you, Okudiaro. We stand by Ezekiel 18:20. Are you understanding me? We stand by Ezekiel 18:20. The soul that sinners must die. And I don't care who you are. I don't care the politicians backing you. Even these so-called religious leaders, criminals. Thank you, Mazi Abubakar Sadiq. You will see Ezekiel first before Matthew. Why run to Matthew when you have Ezekiel there first? Start with Ezekiel 18:20 now. Whatever you do, you will carry it with your own head. You dey hear that? Say the child shall not pay for the sins of the parents, and the parents shall not pay for the sins of the child. We Ndibo, we didn't need to read the Bible before we know this, because we have it written in our essence first. No matter buru. Ometaru buru is what Ezekiel 18:20 is telling you. I need any of your pastors to come and debate me. Okay? I need any of your pastors. You see, Jovika, when I do this the marginalization, you know, we have the marginalization. Jovika the marginalization. From the marginalization, which is Mbaka and Co, of which you know say na politics they use them, they do. I want to debate any of these your pastors. If they defeat me, I will start carrying Bible and I will start attending the person's church. Then come as evangelist. I know Pama. You just going to evangelist or unyoshi. Of course, Obi Ibada. Ishi kotebu. This is what Ezekiel 18:20 is saying. So kesu kofu ishi ofoni geji kotebu. Asia ba oma dini na ashi. Oni koteri yobu no koteri ya we ishi abu. Oni obuna koteri yobu no koteri ya we ishi abu ya. Nko obuna koteri we ishi mburu. What does Ezekiel 18:20 say? Oh, ishi kotebu oba ya didi. Oba di ya. Let him go and meet his ancestors. He said, if they buy him, Biafra will quickly come. We want to help you people. We want to help you people. You know one Biafra again? You know one Biafra again? Or was it a lie when he said if he buy, Biafra will come? Oh, you are lying. You see him? Romans 6:23, of course, that one self, because of some of our way go say, Ezekiel there for Old Testament. Okay, what about Romans 6:23? That one no be New Testament. You see, I'm saying Justice Omotosho jump Ezekiel, enter Matthew. If you want to advance forward, advance reach Romans now. You say you are a priest. Okay, Mr. Priest, send your request. Come on and explain to us why Usain Bolt should be freed. Come on and tell us why Usain Bolt should be free. Are you now banning Ezekiel 18:20? Do you now want to remove Ezekiel 18:20 or Romans 6:23 from the Bible? Do you want to do that? Bible no be on a quote again. You will say you be pastor. Come on and explain it to us. This one where start to carry Bible, which we in Anglican, they for bonus. Many of on our way they claim Christianity, na Catholic on for grow. When they use only bulletin. Now be the only biblical literature when they use. That would they carry Mekbere Nabo and the Bible. Ye Jamanda Anglican, ye boy, I na go to a Kelenu Giovanni, you know, the ma in a room baby kebere had. Okay? Somebody say, now they carry Bible. Yes, now. Yes. Yes. And they come. You carry Bible. Those of on our way they wear plates for head for anybody, they call yourself with Judaism, wherever. Ndi Jew. Ndi Hebrew. The Hebrew people, are you still wearing your plate on your head when your Nnamdi identified himself as a Christian in court? Pastor James Satan, okay, so you can amen. Are you with your white cloth where you they tie, you they throw over your shoulder? Are you aware that your Nnamdi Kanu listed his religion as Christianity? Onwebenke o mere ọ na-agwa unu. Onwebenke ọ gwara unu ọ na-eme. He will tell you people to be looking for Biafra. He is in bed with Nigerian politicians. He's giving you one thing, doing a different one altogether. Why are you still on the wall shaking your head, daily? Moving front and back and forth like a lizard? Your Nnamdi is now identifying as a Christian. More than they cry. Idea now you is identifying now as a Christian. Are you aware? Matthew 25:52. Of course. Of course. Yes. Of course. No, it's not about even. We need it upgraded. They need to upgrade it to a rope. Any day for your dog, I got for your dog. If they no hang me, I no go rest too. Some people say, Ijele, now he has gone to prison. I think it's now to move on. Move on from where? Move on from where to where? Shega Udele. You don't know how Udele they do. Udele go follow you. They say you they sick. You know, he go get patients. They wait for you until you buy, and you don't go come out until you chop you finish. Show me Udele. I dey follow him like vulture. I get time. I get time. This one say I hate you, and that one is supposed to make me feel bad. Oh, yeah. You say you hate me. What do talk about? I don't know. You say you hate me. One or two. Wait till be the name self. When you need to my oxygen say you hate me. Ada busy. Mpama. So me, I suppose they vex say you hate me now. Like how that one take come out here from my body. And for your mind, and I care. Also, people body use ashawo nega no man. Then ashawo no resin on why. Mpama. Utobo ashawo nebu per night 35k with transport. Ijele generation on munya anu here. I will go still the knock and they go. Mpama. Go. Like I'm not coming you nature. This one say avoid east for Xmas. How much you want put now? You pick your state where you say make I come. I go there the capital. I do video before tomorrow afternoon. Deposit your money with enrichment because you don't take well. I don't make this noise. Deposit your money now. See if you no go see me tomorrow. See, coming to tell somebody you hate them. Now you people where they live life as a group. Oh, you are no longer a member of this group. Oh, now your business. Make I tell you, see Anglican Children's Ministry. The first day where they open mouth, promise said they go give me suspension, but they still they watch me. I went home, told my mother that they've given me suspension for 1 month. From 1 month, I told her that they say make I know they come again. My siblings were still attending the Anglican Children's Ministry. You understand? I refused to. Okay? I know Grigo again. So, no be today. Nothing concern me because I'm a human being. When you are talking about individualism, now I don't need, like, a human being is a God. You are a representation of God. Everything you need to power, you are like a vehicle. There is no external force needed to move a vehicle front or back because it's an internal combustion engine. Whatever is moving a vehicle is not coming from outside, it's from within. So you don't need anybody. You don't need anybody's association. You see me like this. You get when I did abroad, I did 1 week, I know they get human contact too. I know they get human contact. This one says, so you have siblings, but they don't born anybody where to control me. And that is how it should be. The only thing you should be concerned about is whether what you are doing is right or wrong. And how do you know when you are doing the right thing or the wrong thing? You will know by when people will be challenging you with earth threats and they will dismantle whatever you are saying. But when they can't dismantle whatever you are saying, they rely on emotional feelings. Oh, you hate your people. Why are you not with your people? That means they are lying. They have no counter argument against you. Are you understanding it now? Oh, person and they buy. Go. No, you don't need any person. That's why many of you think there is a politician that will come one day and save you. It's a lie.